hoisting. Flag song. India is my country, and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country, and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I bless my devotion. Their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Stand at ease.
Good morning to all. Now I call upon Adaniya to say Thirukural. அனைவருக்கும் இணைய காலை வணக்கம். இன்றைய திருக்குறள் மலர் மிசை நான் மானடி சேர்ந்தால் நிலம் மிசை நீண்டுவார். தேங்க்யூ. Now I call upon Samyukta to say bravo. Good morning to all. I am a Samyukta. I am saying introduce bravo. Art is long and life is short. கல்வி கரையும் கற்பவர் நாம் சிலர். Thank you. Now I call upon Ashwin Singh to say about rose.
Good morning to all. I am going to tell about rose flower. My favorite flower is rose. Rose is very beautiful flower. It is found in many different flowers, colors. I have red roses. The most I love many rose colors in my garden. Thank you.
Now I call upon Sai Jackson to say tongue twister. Good morning to all. Today, now I am going to introduce tongue twister. 3 times listen carefully. The blue was springs. The blue was springs. The blue was springs. The blue were sling. The blue were sling. Now I call upon Mohit Red to read Tamil news. வணக்கம். தலைப்பு செய்திகள் வாசிப்பது உங்கள் மோஹித்வேல். ஈரோட்டை சேர்ந்த 7 சிறுவர்கள் 5 நாட்களில் 197 கிலோமீட்டர் தொலைவுக்கு குதிரை சவாரி செய்து சாதனை புத்தகங்களில் இடம் பிடித்தனர். நன்றி. Now I call upon Dakshit to read English news. Good morning to all. Good morning to all. Today's headlines by Dakshit. The new education policy 2023 has redefined the educational landscape with a forward thinking approach. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Today, Balakarshini from UKG celebrate her birthday. We wish God may shower His blessing today and every day in your life. I request our respected principal ma'am to bless the birthday baby with the birthday gift. Teacher speech.
Good morning to everyone. Dear student, if anything is not good in your life, please don't be sad, because every new day has a lot of new opportunities. Every day you will learn new things, and every failure teaches new lesson and also new experience to you. So if you want to something, please work hard until you will reach your goal. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Prayer disperse.